Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and we have new denim from Free Assembly. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering. It's a straight leg, faded through the front and then also through the back. New blazer and skirt set from Scoop. So the blazer has the squared neckline, functioning buttons all the way down, faux pockets, fitted through the wrist, and then the same kind of fit through the back. It comes in, has a little bit of a shoulder pad, and they'll be linked down below. To match, they have these pull-on skirts from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, fit and flares out. The material on both pieces are so nice, and then the same kind of fit. Only seeing them both in black. So new blazer and pant set from Scoop. So this one has this smaller collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, 2 flat pockets. Real blazer and pant set from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons. Really nice seam detail. It's relaxed to the wrist, has really good length. Also comes in at the waist. And to match, they have the pants. These have the side button. It says that they are a wide leg crepe. So I have these in the black, so I guess they brought them back. They do have belt loops. These are nice and comfortable, and I would say true to size. And then to match the skirts we saw in previous videos, there's a new blazer from Scoop. This has the smaller collar, lapel. There's a shoulder pad, this little seam detail, 2 buttons, completely lined, relaxed through the wrist, really good length, and they'll be linked down below. Online only blouse from Time and True. So this has that ruffled neckline, the little tie, has the bell sleeve, and then the same kind of fit through the back. These are $12.98. New crop brown coats from No Boundary. So I picked this like a similar style up in the kids section, not knowing that they were gonna have one from No Boundary. So now I think I have to get the black. Do we have prices today? There's no price on it at all, but these have this smaller collar, zip front, more of a shorter boxy fit, 2 flat pockets, has that detail, and then the same fit through the back. So black with the brown color. This is the color I got in the kids section. I showed it in my haul. These are completely lined, has the brown corduroy collar. And then also new from No Boundaries are these off the shoulder tops. So they are ribbed, stretchy, they have the little ruching, fitted through the wrist, scoops in the middle, and this charcoal also comes in ivory. And they'll be linked down below. New embroidered star tees from No Boundaries. These have that high neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve, fitted through the wrist. It's almost like a soft sweater material. It's shorter through the front and the back. This is the medium. In the burgundy with the little velvet star, and then also this blue with the gold. And these are $10.97. So new striped sweater from No Boundaries. These have the crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. This one's so perfect for me because I go to Universal a lot, and I'm a Ravenclaw and Hogwarts. And these are $16.97. So new ruffled tanks from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, the little V, hook and eye closure, sheer. In the black, also comes in the fuchsia. A new denim from No Boundaries. So these look like they're high rise. They don't have like this thing at the top, but they are stretchy. Pockets, nice wide leg, and then the same fit through the back with the little V. And these are $16.98. And they also come in the dark indigo. Also new color in these denim shorts from No Boundaries. They have the button zip. I think these are the mom short. In the ivory, we saw it in the light wash, also in that dark wash, and they're $12.98. These bootcut jeans from No Boundaries, I think they're like $9 online, because I went to add them to my cart when I saw them in the last video. So I'm not sure if that's going to change, but these look so good. They're high rise, the perfect flare, and then the little flat pockets. But they're regularly $14.98. New jogger pant from Celebrity Pink. So these have that drawstring button zip, the cargo pockets, true jogger bottom, and then the same fit through the back. And these are $18.50. New color in the zip pullover from No Boundaries. So these are a soft fleece, has that zip, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, and then the same through the back. We saw the gray with New York. Now it comes in the purple with 97. And we also saw the pants that match back. So they have an elastic waistband, the cargo pocket, flowy through the leg, in that gray New York. Now they also have that same purple 97. I don't think these were available online, so hopefully they popped up. Also new cardigans from No Boundaries. So these have that high neckline, smaller buttons, drop sleeve with that little rib trim wrist, the same through the back in this argyle. And they just didn't print any prices now. And then right next to it, they have this new cardigan. So they had something similar last year. It was just a little thicker. It has the crew neckline, smaller buttons. I love these. They're perfect year-round cardigans. They're usually about $14. I'm only seeing it in this gray. Also new graphic tee from No Boundaries. This has that crew neckline, the pink with the flower print. Oversized fit. This is the extra small. New tank and skirt sets from No Boundaries. So this one has the thin strap. It's a mesh stretchy material. This is like a velvet kind of texture wherever it's black with the lettuce trim. Back is squared, and then the skirt is pull-on. It's midi length, fitted with the same mesh material and lettuce trim through the front and then also in the back. In the leopard also comes in this black floral, and the two pieces are $19.98. Also new strapless fitted dresses from No Boundaries. So this has the sticky on the inside. It's a nice stretchy kind of seamless material. It's fitted through the body, maxi length. In the black also comes in the plum, and they are going to be $15.97. How pretty are these strapless little bubble tops from No Boundaries? So there's a nice soft textured material. It has the ruching on the side, bubbled peplum. It is lined on the inside. It's nice and stretchy, and then smocked in the back. In the leopard also comes in the black and white polka dot, and they are going to be $14.98. Also new plaid dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that V neckline, the little bow detail. It's a super lightweight kind of flannel material with the smocking tiers. It's really cute. And then the same through the back. In the black and gray also comes in the navy or blue and brown, and the dresses are $15.97. Denim tops from PLAID. How nice are these? They have that squared neckline. It has like denim jacket buttons, is seam through the front and then straight through the wrist. The back has that same kind of fit. These are $29.98. Fit too, because my eyes went over to this new set. Oh, good, from No Boundaries. Has that halter top. It's a nice stretchy material. Looks like it is shorter, and then the pull-on matching midi length skirt with the little slit. It has that open back. In the red also comes in black, and the two pieces are $18.98. So new crew neck straight tops from No Boundaries. So these are soft, stretchy. They have that high neckline fitted through the wrists, also in the body. In the black and white stripe also comes in the burgundy stripe. I'm at an NYC. These have the button zip, the little tier. They don't have built-in shorts. It's a nice stretchy denim with the seam in the back. And they are going to be $15.50. Skirt from Time and True. So this looks like a mid-rise. It has the pork chop pockets, all that seam detailing to about knee length with the trouser style pockets in the back. And they don't have a price. Plush robes from Joy Spun. So these have that rounded collar. It's a really soft material. Has the tie on the inside, also the little belt. Two front pockets, really nice length in the gray and white bow. Also this ivory plaid, and they're $23.98. A new onesie, now they have a cow, so it says Moody on the front with the little cow head. The back, these are from Holiday Time. And then I think we saw, oh no, this is a new one too, the bear. We saw, oh no, we saw the goat. Yeah, that's the goat. And I'm pretty sure these are $24.98. We have new prints in the Joy Spun Pajamas. So these have the rounded collar, full button, pull-on shorts in this new pink cherry print. Also comes in this green tray. There's a brown with the white piping. And then think we saw that gray before. The black with the pink, and it says goodnight on the pocket. And the two pieces are $14.98. Plush robes from No Boundaries. So this has a textured look. Open front, almost, I think it's a leopard. Oh no, heart maybe? Yeah, no, it's leopard. With the purple. Black has, it looks like bows. And mint has this hearts. And pink has strawberries. And these are $16.98. Pajama prints from Joy Spun. So this is their satin long sleeve top and pant set. Has the rounded collar, lapel, full button. How pretty is the pink with the bow? Pull-on pants, nice and flowy. I love that one. I think I gotta get that. They also have the ivory with the gold and black with the sun, moon, and stars. The red bow I love too. Could wear them now, perfect for the holidays. And then I also love the black with the leopards. There's the green eye. And these sets are $25.98. Also new from Joy Spun, they have these sets. So these are soft, stretchy, very similar to the Nordstrom pajamas. They have the rounded collar, lapel, full button, pocket, pull-on wide pants in the leopard, also in the black with the goodnight on the pocket, the pink piping, this purple print. Oh, we really have Christmas. I can't believe we have Christmas prints. Okay. And then the gray leopard is new because we had this in some prints, but not the long sleeve. And the star, yeah. And the pieces are two for $20.98. So new little sweater sets from Joy Spun. These have that crew neckline drop sleeve. It's a super soft hatchy material. Has the ribbed wrist, more of a boxy fit through the front and the back. Comes in the pink cherries. There's a gray with the bows, and they're $11.98. And then also to match, they have the pull-on pants. Elastic waistband, drawstring, true jogger bottom. How adorable. In both of those prints, and they're also $11.98. So new velour bottoms from Joy Spun. These have an elastic waistband with a little boxer patch on the front. Wide straight leg, nice and flowy, very plush, like velvety material. In the gray with the bows, there's a ribbed brown. Super classy. The black, the leopard. And then on this side, we have a burgundy with hearts. How cute is the teddy bear? There's a beige plaid. And then a pink burgundy plaid, the white and pink plaid. And I think these are $10.98. The hatchy sets also come in that gray plaid, solid gray, the teal, and the navy stripe. They also come in black and leopard with the matching pants. So many new bags today. So this one is from Time and True. Hermes Look for Less with the snap closure. Has this little kind of silver hardware. It's magnetic. How cute is that? The Hermes bag, Look for Less, also comes in that beige. And it's these little crossbody bags. They have new prints and colors. So they have the top zip, this suede material, adjustable strap. I love this new brown. And then it also has the side pocket. These are like a Pauline Look for Less. I think that's how you say it. We saw them in that croc and that black before. I'm pretty sure those are like $20. New shoulder bag. This is another Look for Less from Time and True. So it's a green suede look. Has that snap buckle. How pretty is that little gold hardware? So it comes in that print. Also in a faux leather cognac. I also saw it in black. Oh, there it is in black. The other day I saw this one. So I have new colors in this flat bag. But look how amazing this faux leather looks. They really got a nice quality material. Has that snap closure. Nice roomy inside. I like that you can do a top handle or crossbody. Also new from Time and True is this shoulder bag. So this one has the snap closure. That's what the also comes in the black. The same kind of gold buckle. And also new from Time and True are these little top handle bags. I love the little leopard, like faux pony here. Look, it also has that crossbody strap. Comes in this like kind of material, looks like furry, and then also a purple faux suede, and then a black faux leather. These are $23.97. New color in this crossbody bag from Time and True. So this one has the faux suede mix, like crisscross. Now in this green, we saw these in black. We saw them in a few other colors before. Shoulder bag from Time and True. How pretty is this pink color? So it has that snap closure, the little side pocket, adjustable buckle. $19.97. They come in the pink, also in black. Another look for less from Time and True. This one has the buckle. It has this little like pipe detailing on the side with the top zipper. Then the brown also comes in the black. New wraps from Time and True. So this is a lightweight sweater material. I saw somewhere like ponchos are going to be huge. I know it's going to be like a slow trickle, but this is a pretty baby blue color. It also comes in gray and then also in black. It's all the same kind of texture. Bigger scarves from Time and True. So this is a more like warmer material. Has the fringe, the ombre burgundy, also comes in this leopard. There's this beige burgundy, and those are $11.97. Then lighter weight, this is a 50-inch square from Time and True, in the black and white, also in the snakeskin. This purple ombre, there's a blue ombre with the green and black, and then a white and pinks and florals, and those are $11.97. New shoes from Scoop. So they have this new boot, has a little bit of a square toe, that same detail, chunky heel, stretchy with the zipper on the inside, and these are $52. So new studded boot from Scoop. These are almost completely flat. They have that square toe, that seam detail with the zipper on the back, and they're $52. And then also new faux leather tiered skirt from No Boundary. So this has the smocking double tier, nice and flowy in the brown, also comes in black, and they're $12.98. New flats from Scoop. These have that square toe, this elastic little sling back with the buckle. To price. And then right next to that, a new leopard boot. These have a little bit of a pointed toe, kitten heel, zipper on the inside, and they're $52. New flats from Scoop. So these have the rounded toe, this little Mary Jane buckle. It's open through the front, almost completely flat. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.